Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a very special box. This is the latest regional edition from Spain. This is the Juan Lopez Cincuenta y Cuatro, which means 54. And this is a special box for a number of reasons. Number one, this is the largest limited release that has ever been made. These are 50,000 of these being made and sold exclusively in Spain. This box is from October 2024. And the other reason is that these have a new Juan Lopez band, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Plus it has the additional red band, which is for regional editions. Let's open this box up. The reason this box is called Cincuenta y Cuatro, it means 54 in Spanish, which is the vitola of these cigars. These are the same size as the H. Upmann Magnum 54, which is 4 3/4 inch in length by 54 ring gauge. Let's show you guys this magnificent box. These are cabinets of 10, and these boxes cost €220 for a box. This is in Spanish, and this over here is the importer of Spain for all the tobacco. Let's open these up. And take them out of the box. And there you have them. These come in 343. And just take a look at this magnificent band. And as you can see, these are very, very, very nice. Now, my personal experience with Juan Lopez, all the ones I've smoked, when they were quite young, 1 or 2 years old, I always felt they were quite strong and spicy and didn't reach their full potential. But when I smoked Juan Lopez, which were a bit more matured, between 5 to 10 years, they were absolutely magnificent. So these being from 2024, I'll be leaving these to rest for quite a while, until I think that they'll be ready to smoke, which in my opinion is at least another 2-3 years. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And these are, even though these are limited release, there's 50,000 of them, which means they're quite easy to get a hold of, and you have to know which shops to buy them from. I actually bought these in my recent trip to Spain, and I can only say that every person should have one of these in their collection, because these will become more collectible in a couple of years to come. And I think that it's something that's quite nice and special, and I always like cigars with an extra band. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.